Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this a really little action camera that you can take with you and do many kinds of activities while being able to record it, which I think that it's really nice. As you can see, we get different attachments like this one, for example, that you can use it to go underwater and still being able to record it. You have a button in the whole place where you are gonna be using the camera, which I think that it's really nice. We also get different styles of clips, so we can just place it on and use it regularly, and we can use it even in a drone, like with this kind of strap, in your bicycle with this support, which I think that it's really nice. That way you can be recording all your cycling, your outdoors activities, when you go hunting, I don't know, that kind of stuff. You also get a centerpiece that you can just take and be able to record whatever you're doing, which I think that it's really nice. It's a great option to have it, and it has a really nice quality of video, which I think that it's excellent to do any kinds of recording that you need. It's really practical. I like it a lot because you can also connect it to the application that comes in the manual, and that way you can be seeing on real time what you're recording, making it perfect to any kind of excursion that you want to do, which I think that it's really nice. It also has a microphone that so it will record obviously audio. And I also think that this action camera, it's really nice because it's small, compact, to take all your perfect shots wherever you mount it, because it's really simple to use. You just have to simply press the home button of the front of the mini camera to either start or stop recording instantly, which I think that it's really nice. It's compatible with your phone or with your computer. You can take shots running, doing any kinds of outdoor sports, cycling, which I think that it's perfect. You can use the app to review your shots, and you can have it within a space of 10 meters with yourself, and it will still be able to record everything. You can use it to record all your regular life, which I think that it's nice. And another feature that I think that it's really great is that this camera has a waterproof case, which you can use underwater up to 30 meters, which I think that it's really nice. You can use it on diving videos or anything that you need. And overall, I think that it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.